Hi, welcome to this video on file and sheet restriction using password. We split this video into two parts. In this first part, we're going to look at how to password a sheet so that third parties cannot edit any information there, and also how to password a workbook or file. When you password a workbook, you're saying that nobody can open that workbook unless it supplies the relevant password. Now, to protect a worksheet is simply denying edit right to third parties with respect to the content of that sheet. So let's go to this sheet. Now with this sheet, now I can actually edit any of these items here. I can type on any of these items, but if I don't want anybody to type on any of these items, I can protect only this sheet in the whole file. So if I protect this sheet, all these other sheets will be left editable. Now let's protect this particular sheet. The first thing you do is to be on that sheet you want to protect. Click on the file. When you click on file, you will see info. Now click on info, you will see protect workbook. Now when you select protect workbook, because we're talking of a worksheet, you see protect current worksheet. Remember, we're on that particular worksheet we want to protect. When you click this, it will require you to supply a password. Now if you supply a password and take OK, it will require you to confirm that password. The moment you confirm the password, it means you cannot edit the content of this sheet until you supply that password. Now, if you don't want to go through this route, you can actually be on that sheet and click on review. So when you click on review, in the protect group, you will see protect sheet. Now click on protect sheet. This same protect sheet menu comes up for you to supply password. Now let's supply a password. I'm going to supply simple password 123. Now when you supply a password, please remember that passwords are case sensitive, so you have to be careful the password you supply. Now I take OK. When I take OK, it requires me to confirm that password. So I take 123 again, which is the password we've used. Now having done this, I can only view the content of this particular sheet now. Now I can't type anything here. The moment I want to type anything, it tells me the cell or chart you're trying to change is a protected sheet. So now I've protected this sheet. But if you go to the other sheets, I can actually type on this other sheets because I've not protected the content of this sheet. I can type on any of these ones. While the protected one, I can only view the content. I can't type or change anything there. So that's how to protect a sheet. Now, what if I tend to protect the whole of the file so that no one gets access to the file unless the person has the password? Now, if you want to protect the whole of a file, you stay on any sheet within that file, click on file and move to info. When you move to info, you will see the protect workbook. Now I want the whole of that file to be protected, so I'll say encrypt with password. So I take this and it's asking me for a password. Now I want to supply a simple password, so let's use the same password 123, and I take OK. When I select OK, to be asking me to confirm the password, I take 123. Now you take OK. Now the moment you take OK, you have protected this file. So if I decide to shut down, it's asking me want to save changes to this file. I take yes, and I have saved this file. Now I want to call up this file again. This is the file which I call file and sheet protection. I try to open this file. Now the moment I click the file to open that file, it automatically requires the password. File and sheet password is protected. So I now supply the password 123 and I take OK. Now with this, I have gained access to this particular file. Now remember, this sheet is also protected, so I cannot also type on this sheet. I want this sheet is protected, but I can edit this particular sheet. Now to unprotect, it's also going through the same route. I want to unprotect this so that I can edit this particular sheet. I click on review and you see here unprotect sheet. Now click on protect sheet. It asks for the password, so I can supply the password and take OK. Now, I haven't done this, I have unprotected this, so I can now type on this particular sheet. Now, if I want to unprotect the file also, I go to my info and I will see here encrypt with password. I will supply the same password. I can easily take out this particular password here and I take OK. Now I have taken out the password, so I can open this file without any password requirement because I've taken out the password. I need to take this. Fine. Now you can see I've gained access to that without any password requirement. That's how to unprotect a workbook and how to protect a worksheet. Thank you very much for listening. In the next part of this video, we'll look at other protection with our workbook and our file. Thank you very much and bye-bye.